Hey guys, here at the LA Auto Show, I'm with the new Subaru BRZ. This is the upgraded TS model. Let's get into it. You know, when Subaru teased this vehicle for the first time, I was holding out for an STi BRZ or an STi-Tuned BRZ, something like that. Well, it is kind of STi-Tuned. We do have Hitachi performance dampers on here. We do have nice Brembo brakes on the front. That is a huge upgrade. I love the bronze accents here. We have this awesome Subaru racing kit. Very realistic. Look how those move back and forth. I'm actually more enthralled by the video games going on. Got the unique logo up front. Otherwise, it looks very similar to any other BRZ, right? But you have that unique logo to stand apart from the front. As we come to the side, of course, the BRZ in the corner of the headlamp here. Nothing really new. I mean, the engine still produces 228 horsepower from the Boxer 4-cylinder. I believe it's around 2.4 liters. Dual tip exhaust. Again, this logo back here is enormous. Might even be bigger than the one on the front, so there's no way you would mistake this from a commoner's BRZ. The TS is got some cool stuff going on with it for sure. It's got a lot of street presence, even more than the standard one. I love the sway to the top of the door. You know, I actually haven't driven the new BRZ, believe it or not, because I've been driving the 8.6 instead, which is, you know, you guys know the GR86 is essentially identical except for some styling differences. Like the bolstering here on the seats, the blue accents look great. Love the manual handbrake close to the driver. Look at the soft touch right here. The shifter is excellent in here. You know, they really improved the torque delivery on the new engine. And you know, there is no rev matching. I wish we had rev matching here on the BRZ, but the front end looks very similar. Aluminum pedals here, of course. I like aluminum dead pedal. Steering wheel feels great. I wish I could drive it around here because, man, I just love what Subaru and Toyota have done with this platform. It's so low to the ground with the Boxer 4-cylinder. It reduces that center of gravity here, and then STi gets their hands on this vehicle. Give it some Brembo love, give it some cool accents, give it the cool badges, and you got yourself a custom from the factory Subaru BRZ and the TS. I'll see you guys in the next one. Just a quick walk around. Would you be getting this one or just want the standard one? You can modify it. I'll see you. Have a good one.